Hello all, welcome to my channel All Set Ready. So the topic that we are going to see today is all about battery change. So the car that you see in front of you is a Honda City in which the battery is completely dead. The reason why I am saying the battery is completely dead is, let me show. So now what I will do, I will insert the key and try to start the car. When I crank, there is no response. It's not getting starting and there is no sound also, okay? And also, if you look at the display, we used to get the kilometer range and all, right? If you see that display, it is completely empty, which means there is no supply. This directly concludes that the battery is completely dead. Okay, now let's begin the process of changing the battery. So let me open the bonnet first. So in the right hand side corner, the battery is present in this car. So to remove the battery, I have to remove these two nuts first, and then I have to remove this clamp, followed by removal of the negative and positive terminal. And also to note, there is nothing like we have to remove the positive first, negative second. There is no rule like that. We can remove anything first. Okay. Now let's begin the process. So now I'll remove the negative terminal, the positive terminal first. As mentioned, there is no rule like this has to be removed first or that has to be removed first. You can remove anything. To remove that, just loosen it and pull it. That's it. No need to remove the complete nut. Okay. So negative and positive has been disconnected. Next, what we have to do is to remove the clamp. As you can see, removing this spanner is actually difficult because the area to access is very less. So I have just loosened it with the spanner, and next what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my cutting plier to loosen completely. So it's actually easy. Okay, so the nut has came out. Now we can remove the clamp easily. Ensure that you place that the one which holds the clamp, right, place it securely at some place before removing the battery. And now to remove lift the battery, there are two clamps. You have to just pull it and just take the battery out. Yes. Now what we'll do is we will just open our new battery. It's Amaron Flow 72. As it has 36 months complete replacement warranty and 36 months on pro rata basis. I bought this. And similarly, even this one has the same handle. You can just lift that handle and just pull it off. At the side there is the warranty card. Okay, so let me show you the box. I will show the box completely at the end. Now let's go into the process. So you have to just place the battery in the same position. Ensure that there will be plus and minus symbol in the battery. Based on that you have to place. Okay, so the positive must be on the left and negative must be on the right. Depends on the car. Now we will place the clamp back. It's the same reverse procedure. That's it. Okay, so place the clamp now. Next, we can place any terminal first. I am placing the negative terminal first, and I'm going to tighten it. Similarly with the positive terminal. And I can assure you that you will not get any shock in this. Okay, this is just a 12 volt battery, so no need to worry. So this is the main reason why many people actually fears to change the battery. But the actual thing is, only if negative and positive touches in your hand, or when both of them gets to connect each other, right, there will be spark produced, but still the shock will not be there. So nothing to worry. Even I am using a regular spanner and just tightening it, there is no shock, nothing to worry. You can even touch the terminals with your hand, nothing is going to happen. But ensure you touch only one terminal at a time. That is very important. Okay, so the replacement of battery is done, and this is our volt battery. The volt battery that I have used is Amaron Go. It's somewhat lesser than the one which I bought now. The one which I bought now is Amaron Flow. So here it is, and also yeah. So the MRP of this one is somewhere around 4,837, whereas I got this for 3,800 with exchange of my old battery. And while buying this battery, right, just check your owner's manual. So for this car, it is 35Ah, so I bought the same 35Ah battery. So this supply, this AH is actually the one which is responsible for the cold start cranking and also for the complete power supply. So never go below 35Ah. Meaning getting stuck to the one which is mentioned in the owner's manual, to be simple. Okay, now we have replaced the battery. Now let's give a try whether we are getting the supply. So let me switch on the key. Yes, I think now we can see the range, kilometer, everything, right? Okay, now let me give a crank. Okay, the car has started. So for confirmation, I can show you the RPM. It's 1000 RPM, which means the car has started. So with this, our battery replacement is actually successful and we are good. Just idle the car for 5 minutes for the first time. Okay, so yeah. So and also we have one more method to check whether the battery is dead or it's time to replace through multimeter, which I will post in the next video. With this, I will close the video. Thank you all for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.